Hi guys, good morning from Canada. I woke up like this and today the video topic is skincare. Yeah, that's right. I'm wearing something beautiful on my lips because that's how I start my morning with a cup of tea and a beautiful lipstick. If you want to know the shade name, check out my Instagram account somaroy.chaudhary at Instagram. Now let's talk about the Inculist. I wanted to try from this brand. I'm very glad that I got my hands on this one. It's been quite a while that I'm using this product day and night. So let's talk a little about the packaging, which is very straight to the point, and I'm impressed that everything that you want to know, it's right on the top of the box. It's formulated for all skin types, but it is best for normal skin type. That's what I have. It protects and plumps up. You can use it day and night, and also you get 30 ml product in this cute little box. So if you remember, I showed the pictures on Instagram. I told you that I would upload a video on this. I would review this product because I wanted to try for a couple of days how my skin reacts to it. Happy to mention that it is very pleasing and the texture is very smooth, creamy. Let me show you. So I have not put anything on my face. I just cleanse my skin. That's how it looks, and it feels kind of very soft to touch, almost cooling, quickly absorbing. So that's for my hands. I rinse my face and now I'm going to use my Bioderma to give it a nice base. I'm very happy with these cotton pads from Costco I picked up recently. It's premium cosmetic, double-sided cotton round experience. It has got this side which is a little bit exfoliating, and this one is a soft one. So I got a full pack. It's like a makeup essential. So now let me just cleanse my skin. Well, that's how I start my day. A sneak peek on that. I like that exfoliating side. It just exfoliates and gives a nice feeling. Recently I started getting my makeup supply from Costco, the essential ones. No residue, it feels clean. So let's put this on. Won't take much, it spreads beautifully. And for the price, I mean, price is not a point here, but still I need to talk about it because it's at a great price point. The product itself is really beautiful. So if you don't have to check the price, you will say that's really rich, beautiful, high quality serum. And also because it is at a very great price point, that's a bonus. Very straight to the point product. I love the packaging also. It's all black and white. It does not have any fragrance to it, but it feels very cooling. And I love to use it in the morning, at night as well, before my bedtime, because it's very moisturizing. It just plumps up the skin. And actually when I woke up the other day and I was just using this that day just to try, I did not apply any moisturizer on top. I just cleansed my skin, applied it, and next day morning I could feel the baby bouncy skin because it's very moisturizing. There were no fine lines visible, and it just gave that nice glow, bouncy feel on the skin. Skin felt really lovely. So that's why I just love using it every morning before bedtime nowadays, and really impressed with the product. I want to try more from the brand. Also, it has one of my favorite ingredients now, squalene. You know the benefits of squalene for your skin. Nowadays I'm seeing that it has become a trend. Most of the skincare products, they are including plant-based squalene. So It just says squalene on the box. Squalene to help hydrate and protect skin. I'm really impressed with the texture, with the quality, and how my skin is loving it. So that's about it today on the Inky List. And of course, I want to try more. And it is such a beautiful brand, affordable, high quality products that even if you want to just test it, you can go for it and test it for yourself. If your skin is loving it, then you can just continue with it. My skin is actually very happy with it. So it's a happy dose of hydration. Of course, I love the glow and plumpness it adds. You can hardly see fine lines, which is a plus. At great price point, you can mix and match. You can totally mix and match with different kind of moisturizers that you want to play with. So it's a very beautiful blendable formula, and of course it goes on easily. So lovely to have it in my skincare routine. On that note, I'm saying bye to you. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and of course come back soon on Monday because there are a couple of exciting stuff going on. You don't want to miss that. Comment if you want to share your thoughts with me. Definitely like if you like this video. On that note, Soma is saying bye to you, and let me know if you have tried anything else from the Inky List because that would be a nice interaction, right? See you. Have a great weekend.